Well, the first thing I think that you need to do if you're interested in HVAC or plumbing is find some education, find out somebody that you can work with to be an apprentice or go to a trade school or, get a job in one of the businesses so you can stay close to it and have an opportunity for a training event. The second thing is, and this, I think this goes for every one of the tradesmen, myself included, no matter how long you've been in it, is you have to sharpen your saw. I mean, the trades are ever evolving, sometimes more faster than technology. What we think of today as technology, computers and such, but the technology of HVAC and plumbing evolves just as fast, if not faster. So try to sharpen your saw. I've made it a personal mission myself to read something or watch something or be involved in something in the trade every evening for at least 10 minutes for every day of my life. And that's really trying to kept me, in tune with what's going on and, open to new ideas, and really kind of keeps me motivated to learn more. I believe it's important that you have a resume, even if you haven't actually had a job before. Go pull a resume together and talk about your personal interests and where you want to see your career go, and any extracurricular activities you're involved in to kind of show your character. So when you come to the job interview or to be accepted at a trade school or being accepted in an apprentice program somewhere, they know you're serious and that this is something that you're going to make a career out of.